Shenzhen Xinhe Optoelectronic lighting company, founded in 2004, has been in the industry for 90 years. It has established two major brands, Miracle Beams and Xinhe Optoelectronic, from the initial independent research and development of the world's first LED lights and exposure them. The company constantly follows the international standards of ISO 9001 CE Pro certificates.
For more than 10 years, we have been working hard in the field of LED point light sources for night lighting. Through constant reform and innovation, we have now had a complete point light product system in the night lighting projects across the country and around the world. We can see the high-quality point light sources produced by our company. The Shenzhen Civic Plaza Light Show, the overpass night view of Huaqiang North Pedestrian Street, the Aokangda Famous Car Plaza, the linkage building of Xiangguo Park, Sichuan, the virus farm of Signal Tower in Zhejiang, the Nanshan Bridge in Jilin, the large-scale multiple plaza of Shengjing Fudi, the super large great screen of Dehui Central Park in Henan, the well-known Oriental Pearl TV Tower Hotel in Zhumadian, the night view of Fukang City Economic and Technological Development Zone in Yunnan, the Chuyuan Bridge on the Fifth Ring Road in Shandong. Welcome to our official website and WeChat official account for details. Through the continuous effort of our R&D team, our point light sources have independent intellectual property rights. Up to now, we can provide one-stop service for the scheme design, product development, project budget, project construction, and one-side guidance of the night lighting project. This is a high and low temperature box. Our lamps can be used in extremely cold areas at -40 centigrade and extremely hot areas at 80 centigrade. This is a rain test box, and there is also a part of the box for underwater testing, which has a very good waterproof effect. The material we use is a flame retardant PC that won't burn or catch fire. It will melt after ignition.
The LED point light source products are mainly based on points, which are connected into lines, and lines are grouped into surface. They are suitable for lighting projects of various straight lines, curved contour, stand-up, or special-shaped building facades. Through intelligent control, any picture, text, color, and video effects can be achieved. We have 5 major point light product series.
Our point light product can be installed in a variety of ways: adhesive, screwing, orifice plate, single-side profile, double-side profile, steel wire, buckle base. So our point light has unlimited possibilities and can meet the light sources requirements and installation requirements of various projects.
Light, thin, and transparent features. It is a sliced unit module composed of LED point light source, PC buckle base, steel wire, and other components. The super large display area from tens of square meters to tens of thousands of square meters can be easily achieved through unit module splicing.
Our point light sources are equipped with international brand lamp beads with high brightness and stability, pure color, and low light decay. Our point light source gel is made of German Bayer PC material, which has excellent flame retardant, impact resistant, and UV resistant, and will not change color for 10 years. Permeable design. The air permeability of 50 to 70% does not affect the ventilation and lighting at the rear of the screen. It has strong wind resistance, effectively reduce the wind load, and further reduce the strength and weight of the LED display infrastructure. Module design. The green screen adopts the principle of assembling single module into a large screen. Without complex and compact steel structure, simple module assembly can realize rapid installation for a customized size of customers. This is our most classic product, sticking point light display, which is composed of a variety of point light products, point light sources of different size, different IC chips, different line spacing, and different appearance can be installed arbitrarily by means of mounting. Through the unified integration control technology, the combination lighting of various point light sources can be realized, and the magic light and shadow can be truly built for customers' whims.
The green screen products have different light sources, different density, different supports which can be customized according to your needs. We can provide the best service for our customers. Looking forward to cooperating with you.